Let's get into this hair from Megalook. This is their deep curly unit, okay? It came with some super tape, elastic band, and some combs for extra security. But look at this, look at the juicy curls. Do y'all see these curls? They curling, okay? Hairline A1, it comes pre-plucked, the knots are super duper small, and they gave us HD lace. Do y'all see that? Do you see this? Super, I love this lace because it just melts right into your skin. Also, I love this new construction that Megalook did. Y'all did the dang thing. I love it. So I'm just attaching the elastic band, so showing you guys you can wear it glueless. But this is the overall view of the hairline, and it's flawless, okay? A1. And did I say it come pre-plucked? Pre-plucked. So this is what it looks like on my head. As you guys can see, it's giving. She is giving. If you look at the density, okay, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I don't know what the density is. I will have it in the description section. But look how thick and full these curls are. Like, don't play. Do you not see this? If you guys are looking for a last minute wig for vacation, your last vacation, sis, get this. Get it, okay? But this is the hairline before I do any type of customization. Off camera, I did go in and do a little bit of plucking on my own. Like I said, you don't have to pluck the unit. It's to each its own. But I just did because y'all know I'm a little extra. I'm actually going in the tint lace. I'm using Kisses Tintation in the shade medium brown. However, I normally don't tint HD lace. When it's true HD, I don't tint it, and I forgot. So, but this is what it looks like once I tint the lace. It's not too bad. I feel like it's giving like this orangey vibe. I don't know. I'm still playing around with my shades in regards to the tint and spray as well. But that's neither here or there. But like I said, it don't look too bad, even though I normally don't tint HD lace, like true HD lace. So we're going to go in and hot comb it. I do have my hot comb on the highest heating setting. I also cut off the lace, and here in this clip you just see me making a part so I can cut around my ear. Now when they send you a lot of lace, this is definitely big head friendly. You don't need all of it, so I like to have a clean cut around my ear. So now I'm just going in with my Kiss lace spray, and we're just going to go ahead and adhere this wig down. I'm doing about 2 to 3 layers, and I'm just using my finger to push the product back into my hairline. Once I have the desired amount of layers, I go in with my blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and I wait till it's tacky. Once it's tacky, I then align the wig with where I place the product. And look how this lace is melting. Do y'all not see this freaking lace? Okay, now I want to reinstall it again without the lace tint because I feel like I keep forgetting when you got true HD lace, you do not need no lace tint. It does look like I bleached the knots though, because honestly when people bleach knots, if you don't color correct it, the lace be orange. And that's how mine is giving right now, but that's neither here or there. So I'm gonna continue this process throughout my entire wig. I only show you guys one side because I feel like it's repetitive because I just literally do the same steps. All right, look how good she looks. What lace? Don't play. What lace? I'm just going in with a little bit of spritz to just give the lace a little bit more security. Also another layer of meltage. But be careful with this. Every time I use spritz, I OD on it and it get a little hard. So I like to dry it down a little bit first and then put my elastic band on. Allow this band to sit on for about 3 to 5 minutes, and boom, don't play. Look at her. Look at her. Okay, she looks hecka good. That lace is melted. It's gone. Lace be gone, okay? So I'm just going in to do some baby hairs. So we get into the styling portion now because I told y'all I need to start styling my units. I be stuck in my comfort zone not styling because I just be lazy. But I'm just brushing out this spritz because like I said, you can OD on that spritz. So I try to make sure both my baby hairs were even. I'm going in to do a little bit of plucking so they could be a little bit thinner. And then we're just going to comb that hair out. I'm going to cut at an angle. And then I'm just going to use my 1-inch flat iron by Kiss. And we're just going to curl towards our face today. So now I'm just taking a little bit of my EBIN spray. I mixed that with some spritz, and I just wanted to do some baby hairs. Now baby hairs with me, they take a little bit long depending on what type of day I'm having. I like to start off long and trim them up and then swoop to my liking. So that's pretty much my process of baby hair: swoop, trim, swoop, trim, swoop, trim. And I'm also using a different product as well, spritz and my EBIN spray, and I feel like that was a good thing. It doesn't stick it down to the point where it's hard, but it does give you, like, you know, that hold that you're looking for. So I'm going in with a little bit more max wax, and I'm just gonna take my hot comb and just press out the center. Now at this point I didn't know what style I was doing, so I actually hopped on Pinterest in between these times, but I have seen this style going around on TikTok and Instagram. Everybody and their mama has done this style, so we just want to try it. I'm going to define my part using my cream foundation in the shade, well, in the level 12. I just mixed both shades together, and then I'm just going to define the part by spraying some black spray because I don't want my part too wide. All right, so now for the styling portion, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a piece of this and see how much. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. So I'm like, okay, this gonna go out behind my ear like this, right? So we're just gonna take out a little section because I wanted like a little curl in front of my face as well. So I'm just gonna part that. Like, I freehand it. I'm not using no comb or nothing because, child, you know what I was doing. So I tried to make sure both sides were even, though I could have parted. It could have made it easier, but yeah. So now I'm just going to take my brush and detangle the hair, and we're going to add some mousse. Now this mousse, instead of me straightening the hair and having straight pieces, I just use mousse, okay? So we're going to brush this all throughout the hair and make sure we get the ends. And this is my first time using that mousse, so I'm not going to give like a full review on it yet, but y'all, I think it's a winner. So I'm gonna place this behind my head. I'm gonna use my comb and I'm gonna slick that on back there. See, just like that. I just tucked it back there, and I'm gonna do that on both sides. You're gonna comb it out, and then you just gonna slick it back. Now to hold these two pieces back here, I'm just gonna get a rubber band, a little black rubber band, and just put a rubber band on and put a little ponytail back there. Ain't nobody gonna see that. I'm just going in with a little bit more mousse, and I'm going to define the curls that I wanted to leave out in the front. Now I didn't know if I should have cut this part shorter or not, but I just left it long, you know. And after I defined it, I did go ahead and scrunch it up so it would have more definition. So now I'm just going to part on the side so I can leave some hair up. My biggest downfall in the past when doing half up, half downs with virgin hair units was trying to put all of that hair in the front into a ponytail, and it was bumpy and lumpy. So part hair on the side and just do the center as a ponytail instead of the side, like the full sides, because it would look fake and it would just look weird. And I was like, why my hair ain't looking like the girlies? But I was just trying to put too much hair in a ponytail. Y'all see that? Boom. Okay. We're going to puff that out. And look at this. This hair, I love the density on this unit. Like, I would wear it like this. I would wear it like that. And I will also wear it defined. But we're going to define it today. I did take some hair and just wrap it around the rubber band because I didn't like how that was looking. I was going to do the claw clip style for this and put like a claw clip, but I totally forgot because I just liked how it looked half up and half down. So lastly, we're just going to go in and define the curls. I want kind of like a wet curly hair type of vibe look, but not wet curly hair. I want the density to still, you know, show through, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to go in with the water. I'm going to dampen it with the water, and then I'm going to follow up with that mousse that I told you guys about. And yeah, I'm obsessed with these curls. These curls were so freaking pretty. Okay, so freaking pretty. I have not washed, conditioned, or did anything. I really installed this unit straight out of the box the same day. Got the hair and installed it straight out without doing no bleaching and none of that, y'all. So I'm obsessed with this unit. I don't care what nobody said. This unit needs to be on somebody's beat, somebody's island. This unit is so freaking pretty. I'm so hyped. Everything about this unit I love. So I'm gonna get this unit a 10 out of 10. Okay, Megalook, y'all did that with y'all deep curly wig. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, obsessed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this look, me attempting this style, because you know it's my first time attempting it. I give myself an 8. So yeah, also leave me, you could DM me on Instagram some inspo pics of some styles that I can do with some units. So yeah, if you want to do that, my name on there is TJ. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in this unit, don't forget to check the description section. It will be listed there. So yeah, until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.